Hi everyone. In today's video we are gonna learn how to create this amazing preset which you can use for your own photos to improve them. This preset was created on our subscribers' request. Guys, if you don't want to repeat after me, you also can download this preset on our website. To do that, you should look for a password which appears twice on the top right corner as you can see it now. The link to download this preset you will find in the description below the video. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. Let's do it now.
Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous, I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing, my whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty home, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this. Why do I run whenever I'm hurting? I guess I'm still learning how to love. Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty home, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this. Why do I run whenever I'm hurting? I guess I'm still learning how to love. What have I Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty home, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this. Why do I run whenever I'm hurting? I guess I'm still learning how to love.
We've done it. It looks very nice now. Definitely much better than it was before. I just hope that you got the same result. Guys, if you haven't found the preset that you need, just leave you comment below and describe that you want to get, and probably the next art tutorial will be about your color correction. So, that's it for now. Enjoy your new preset, and see you again.